Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the letter M from alphabet lore. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start off by drawing a V shape at the top here. Then let's curve it outwards from both sides. Now from the ends, a long angle down. Lines in at the bottom. Angle it back up. And then a wavy line in between to connect the two sides. And that's it for the shape of the M. Now let's draw the face starting with the mouth. Inside at the top, let's draw a wavy line here. And then lines down on both sides. Next, let's add the eyes. On the sides of the mouth, let's draw a rounded rectangle overlapping the side like this. And the same thing on the right. And then let's erase that overlapping line inside. Next, inside each eye, let's add a curve across. And then underneath, a rounded rectangle. And color both of these in black. And that's it for the letter M. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!